Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther, and today I'm going to show you how to design some noodle text in Illustrator. First step, let's make sure that we're not on the stroke. So click here on the stroke and click on the none, so you're going to see this red line crossing. Click on the fill, let's select the black color on the fill. Select the rectangle tool and let's draw a line. From here, I'm going to press and hold Alt, drag it down, also press Shift so you isolate it. We're going to recolor this to white. Select both, press and hold Alt, drag it down until they intersect right there. And from here, press Ctrl D and Ctrl D again so they copy. I'm going to delete this white line. So the opening and closing part is basically black. Select all of them, right click, group. Now let's go to the brush. So here's the brush. If you don't have the brush, go to Windows and select the brushes. Okay, so from here just drag it and drop it where the brush is and select Art Brush. Click OK. And here we get the directions, for example, in this case. And make sure that you're on this, the arrow is pointing to the right. Because occasionally it might happen that it's pointing up or pointing down, but we want this one. And then click OK. Now you can delete this. Okay, so from here, basically you need to be on the stroke. Go to the pen tool, which I don't know where it's right here. And draw something with the pen tool, for example, a line. And go to the brush and select the line. And this is basically how it's going to apply it. This is a pretty big one because I didn't scale it down. But if you scale down the stroke, it's gonna make it thinner. Also, if you're an expert in, hand letterings and all that stuff, you can apply on one of your hand letterings. So in this case, I'm gonna apply it on the K. Wow. So it's pretty thick right now. But I gotta go to the stroke options, and you can see here the weight. I'm going to decrease the weight to 0.25. So yeah, from here you also can play around a lot. You can change the path lines and all that stuff, the anchor points, make things smoother. And yeah, mainly this is how you work with this noodle lines. So thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos. Have a good one. Bye bye.